implants over the course of like a year, your hearing could actually improve from the current 20 to 25% to 75%, which is a major, major improvement, right? And like you said,
Welcome back to my channel. Today's story is inspirational, educational, and emotional. I strongly urge you to stick around to watch it. The link between dementia and hearing loss is well documented. The Lancet review documents that 7% cases of dementia could be erased by tackling hearing loss. I spoke about this in my video, The 14 Surprising Factors Behind Dementia. Please go and watch it if you haven't. It's a must watch. And yet, hearing loss is still regarded as a no-go topic, whereas vision impairment has benefited from fashion trends. I always felt it was unfair that people didn't mind wearing glasses, but looked on people wearing hearing aids as something awkward or strange. And unfortunately, that has put and can put people off wearing hearing aids when they should. In addition to hearing aids, there's a technology called Cochlear Implant, which is really helping loads of people living with hearing loss to regain their lives. As of recent estimates, around 1 million people worldwide now use cochlear implants. In the US, approximately 180,000 people have received cochlear implants. And here in the UK, nearly 25,000 people use cochlear implants. And these numbers are continuing to grow as the technology improves and access expands. So, the UK audience may know Tasha Ghouri, who is a British model and dancer who gained prominence as the first deaf contestant on the reality show Love Island. She was born deaf. She received a cochlear implant at the age of 5, which she affectionately refers to as her superpower. In 2024, Tasha showcased her dancing talents on Strictly Come Dancing, where she and her partner achieved the highest cumulative score in the show's history. During one of the live performances, her cochlear implant actually dislodged, but she continued to dance, earning her praise for her professionalism. She's been open about her cochlear implant and how it has influenced and challenged different perceptions and how people see people who have a hearing impairment. And she continues to inspire many by demonstrating that hearing impairments do not define a person's potential. Well, a few days ago, I was contacted by the mom of Boonie, who we are going to see today. And she told me her daughter Boonie was going for a cochlear implant and had asked if I would follow her journey on my YouTube channel. Boonie felt the story might inspire other people living with hearing loss or hearing impairment. I was really touched that she wanted to share her journey, and I consider it a privilege that she has asked me to be part of it. It is time to normalize hearing aids and cochlear implants, just as we have normalized eyeglasses and other aids that people use. So here is the lovely Boonie and her fabulous mom, Neka.
Hello guys, my name is Boonie Emegwa and I'm 24 years old.
hi everybody, I'm Neka Megwa and I am Boonie's mom. And today we're here to talk about cochlear implant because Boonie has a surgery tomorrow. For the first time at 24 years, Boonie is going to get a cochlear implant. And so Boonie, you have been using a hearing aid, one hearing aid. So can you tell us how that feels, just your experience using a hearing aid?
Well, I have been using hearing aids since I was 5 years old, and I think until 11 years old, I've been using 2 of them, both ears, but for some reason, my right ear, I can hear noises, but I cannot hear words at all, so I stopped wearing them, and I stuck with the left ears, because I can actually hear the words, but of those, it's good, but I feel it could be much better, because I can hear dirty letters like T, S, and because of that, I'd be dropping my S, like for plural, and and because of that, my speech pattern got a little bit messed up. Yeah, and I've been going to speech therapy, but I realized it's not helping at all. So when I learned about cochlear implant and I heard all the benefits, and I thought to myself, okay, yeah, I actually like the idea of that. So let me go ahead and do that surgery and see how it goes.
Well, that's good, Boonie. We're very, very excited, and I know you're so excited. Like you said, you're using one hearing aid, and so you don't hear quite enough. I think the doctor said you hear 20% right now.
Yeah, 25%,
Okay.
and 0% in my right ear.
20% here, 0% there. So how do you feel the cochlear implant would improve it?
Well, the doctor said that if I get cochlear implant for my left ear, it could jump up to like 35%, which is really, really amazing. And if I get one for my right ear, it could jump to 25%. I don't know, it could help because they said she's not having that wear my right hearing aid, she's not 11 years old, there's nothing emulation with that. So the doctor wasn't sure about that. So that's why we decided to go to the last one first and see how to go. If it works, maybe we can go with the right ear.
Okay, great. So 75%, that's a big number. So the doctor said once you do the cochlear implants over the course of like a year, your hearing could actually improve from the current 20 to 25% to 75%, which is a major, major improvement, right? And like you said, you start to hear S and T and those words, right?
Yeah.
And then improve your grammar too, because you don't quite hear the grammar every day correctly.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know how that cochlear implant works? Can you describe it a little bit?
Since I'm not very good with doctor and how the process, but the very basic process is there are sound processor and magnet. So the magnet will go between go and gap. Yeah. So first they will cut up. No, actually first they will shave. Yeah. And then make the cut over here. And then put the magnet up here, and they will dish it up. And after that, at least 3 weeks, I will make recovering. And after that, that's when I will have my application date. Yeah.
Activation, yes.
Yes.
They will activate it after
So
that.
that's when I will actually get cochlear implant and start hearing noises. Yeah. But first they will start at the low level. They don't want to do it at high because boom, and then especially when it connects to your brain directly.
That's right.
We cannot have any brain explosion. So they're gonna start at just low level and then work way up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically you have the surgery again. It's tomorrow, which is 17th of March, 2025. You have the surgery, you basically be in the dark, like you wouldn't hear anything. You can't use a hearing aid. I don't know if you'll be able to use your hearing aid. Maybe
the
not.
doctor said you could, but since there will be a lot of fluid in there,
and
so there's
recovery.
a lot of swelling. So, and it's not like that. My hearing aid, it will be touching the cut, so it's gonna be painful. So I'm going to be completely dark.
So dark for 2 to 3 weeks, and then we go back to the cochlear implant people and they switch it on.
Yeah.
And to your point, they'll put it very low at first, then we'll come back, we'll keep going there, they'll start to increase it, and you start to hear so what have you heard? That it sounds like robots?
Yes. When we make necessary sound that coming out of cochlear implant, we felt that okay, sound a little bit robotic, but I did the research on website and blog and videos. They say that the robot feeling will go away maybe like 3 weeks or 3 months, as long you practice, and they also say that the music will be a thing that they give up because it kind of hard to get a natural music coming out. So it's like so many people give up. But we're not doing that because I love music and I like listening to collection of music. So I will be keep practicing on music, and we do the worship every day, every night. So this is I have no choice to listen to music. So yeah.
I was close to tears watching this, and we are all really excited for Boonie. She's a fabulous young girl. I love her dearly. I love that her parents are so supportive. So please, let's show Boonie some love by dropping a goodwill message in the comment section. I'm sure she will be watching and reading all your comments as we wish her a safe surgery and great progress with her hearing journey. We'll be following her every step of the way. So please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss any of these episodes of this amazing, courageous girl. Boonie, we wish you all the best on your journey. You're a lovely soul, and I'm glad to be part of your story. So we'll catch up later. Please don't forget to watch the video on dementia and how you can prevent it, everyone. Drop your comments, your prayers for Boonie in the comment section, and we will continue to follow her journey and see it to the end and see her come through surgery happy and make progress with her hearing. So thank you for following the story, and I'll see you right back soon again. Bye.